Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. As you guys can already tell by the title of this video, it's a prep and pack with me for a little trip to Florida. I am actually going on vacation. It's my first time going on a vacation, Disney World to be precise. And in this video, I am just going to show you guys what I'll be packing. It's a 1 week trip, so I don't know if I'm packing too much, but I'm gonna just take you guys along with me. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And with that being said, let's just dive right into the video. So I kind of like have everything already set up. I'm just going to walk you guys through what I have. I'm also not going to be packing all of these clothes. I'm just going to select a few ones that I actually really need. Over here I have my skirts. These are like my dresses. On here I have like my just a light jackets, and those are like my sweatpants. These are my shorts, and on here I have like my sweaters and hoodies, and these are my pants, little tops and crop tops. And I'm taking these two vests with me. And on here it's the viral TikTok jumpsuit. I'm gonna keep that in the bag. Here I have like my bras and inner wears as well as my underwear. I have my shoes right here. I'm going with these sneakers and these shoes as well. My 2 pairs of glasses. I have my body sprays and perfume. I have my body lotion. Here I don't know which of these nails I'm going to like. I got all of these from Shein. And for my bags, I ended up going with this one that has the pink, yellow and green. And I also took this Coach bag that my roommate got for me for Christmas. This bag is the cutest thing ever. And now it is time to start packing. And the luggage is from Burlington Mall, and it was for $60.
That nigga confidence got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You play me. In my heart, for this can't be the first time. We my heart, for this the first time. Looking for some things
Thankfully, the clothes that I actually needed were able to fit on this box, but my shoes could not fit in. I had to pack those in a different bag, and I could not even take all of the shoes. But I was so grateful that the clothes that I wanted actually fit in. I'm using the Shein mini packers to pack my other essential items like my underwear and bras. It came in a pack of 6. And this is the bag I'm going to be packing my body lotion, deodorant, body wash, body soap, everything body items is going to go in this bag.
we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
As well as my sunscreen, perfume, body soap.
The half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they?
I was also able to fit all my skincare products in this bag as well. So these are all my skincare products. I also packed a few face masks. I took about 4 face masks.
Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy.
There was also a separate bag for all my makeup and hair items. So these are my makeups that I'll be taking.
Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week?
So that was everything that I could actually fit in this box. My bag and shoes were not able to fit in. I had to pack those separately. So that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. If you did, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Like you to look like the garden eat it. Pillows, hope that I'm spilling the tea.